Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to turn off dark mode on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now in order to turn off dark mode on Google Maps, first open up your Google Map application and you land on this interface where at the top right corner of the screen you can see your profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon and tap on the settings option over here just under your data in maps. Tap on settings, and over here on this interface you can see the fourth option where it says the theme. Tap on theme and this kind of interface will appear. Now in order to turn off the dark mode on your Google Maps application, tap in the section where it says always in light theme and then tap on the save button over here, and then the light mode will be enabled on Google Maps. And there guys, this is how to turn off dark mode on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.